the mix, lovelies and friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. Now, Dwayne is listening to a tape of Tina, and Tina is exposing all the things that was happening allegedly in the group. So now she's saying that she wasn't the one who joined them. She did not join them, but they sought after her and they started giving her praises, and that's how she became a part. But she wasn't grouped up with them because she was fighting her own battles, and everybody knew that, she said. And so she said she wasn't a part of this group, and she's not going to sit and listen to the same thing over and over every day. So go catch the video, and remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And as always, have yourselves a wonderful one.
I unblocked you on your main page. You can come on your page if you want.
Them now want me move forward.
You can come on your page if you want.
Where there's nothing, where there's no progress. I am not a non-progressive person. I am not a mad somebody who ever sit down every day and listen to the same bullshit. I can't do that. I have shit to do. I got work to go to. I got stuff to do. I got my business to tend to. You think I can sit down every day and listen to the same rubbish? Like I said, as much as I'm here on social media and you guys know me, half the stuff that happens on here, alert me to it. 1 or 2 people will keep an eye on certain things. Them alert me to it. Me not see it. And me never team up with them either. And them come and seek me out and give me praises and then come talk about, oh, this and that. Me never team up with them.
On the Tina say she did not team up with Lorraine them and then come seek out our grace, our presence. I know some me I say me nah say nothing, guys. Oh, me nah say nothing. Me did not say something that's up, but me shut my big stinking mouth because let us be real, I don't have no luck pay ya. So me shut up my big mouth. I don't score my cause squad in the mix up. I want to stop and chat. Me stop and chat. Let's just get into it.
Me did already fight my battles, and the world knows say me did fight my battles. The world knew.
That is
so it
true.
was no news to anybody that I was fighting my battles long before they came along.
Very true.
Before they came along, I was fighting my battles.
Very, very true.
So it's not like me didn't need them. No, I didn't. So there's nothing to be heard, really. Because me didn't fight my battles from a long time. That's not news. And anything me didn't want to say, me could have come out and come talk about it. Because it's...
Pause. Tina Shin, I only have one thing to add, right? I have one thing to add. You know, you said you was fighting the battles a long time ago. That is a fair point. So now you don't bash me, but I'm gonna say, like, I feel like now everyone we should all learn from our mistakes and just don't join with nobody and just stand firm to yourself and stand true to what you believe in. And I'm not saying this because I want to cause any form of animosity. I'm saying this because it's the way to go forward. We should all be we should be held accountable for our own actions. And see, anything I come on my live and say, I say it myself. I don't allow anyone to say to put words in my mouth or whatever. I say what I want to say. So to sum up what I'm saying, always remember, are you alone and me alone in the dark room? When our people chat unless we want a family, you understand? And these people on social media, we can't trust people on social media. These people, some of them are wicked and malicious and hateful and vindictive. And trust me, most times they have ulterior motives. So let's just be real. We should all learn from people. I'll own it without having a page. Learn. There's no loyalty out here. None at all. They use you. They use you for as long as you can carry them. When them done now, them spit you out like a big spit. Listen, me not preach, me telling the truth. Stand to yourself. I don't believing on nobody copy. Let us be real. You don't know these people from nowhere. A social media will come meet people. All of you on here, you don't know me. You don't know my struggles I go through day to day. None of you call me to do any alright. No, because let's be real, we only interact with each other on here. So don't trust people on social media, because a lot of times they are wicked and hateful, and 3/4 of the time they have ulterior motives. Learn from me and Bigfoot. You know, say Bigfoot do to me. You say Bigfoot and every time do to me, I never see it. I never saw them do to me. Big disgrace. Even drag my grandma, my poor dead grandma, my mom, my entire family into things that wasn't even warranted. If you're cursing me, curse me. Why insert my people into it? And I'm telling you, learn from our mistakes, people. Not trust nobody about ya. Anyways, I could continue look a mix up. Cause she going and she got in at it. Lord Jesus Christ.
News? Yeah, me are the black one. Me are the black sheep. Be a white sheep out there. And you know the thing about it, Erica? This is how I am in real life.
I've unblocked your main page. You can comment.
I am the black sheep in the family
page.
And I'm the black sheep always in a group. Me don't know why it turn out like that. Maybe it's just my personality. But I am always the black sheep in any settings. I just never feel like I fit into that circle of herd thinkers. And because of that, I have a problem finding good people.
Perhaps you're right, Natasha.
I have a problem. So if me and you are a rock, consider that a good thing. Because me have a problem I find good human beings in this world. Because there are a lot of shitty people out there who are very intimidated by my strong personality. And they don't realize that my strong personality is just for my own protection. And my strong personality means them no harm. If they're good to me, I'm good to them. But if they didn't come with good intentions, they're going to be intimidated by this strong personality because they know they're not good to begin with. My strong personality is just for me. It's not to harm anybody. It's just me. And it's my forward thinking, outward thinking. It's just who I am. So it's not really to harm anybody.
Going at tuition, going at girl.
Yeah. It's not to harm anybody. I love people, I love people. I just love people. I can't wait to get a house where I can invite
Share the live, guys. Share the live.
I can't wait to get a house where I can just invite people and everybody just sit down and cook.
Exactly.
And be everybody come over and eat and drink. I love people. And that's my downfall. Because the energy that I have, the energy when I give off, this is me in real life. This is no acting, by the way. When you see me I bug out on social media, it's no acting. It's just who I am. I'm always that funny girl. That's just who I am, yeah? But I always attract some little some friggin'
It's going down now. It's going down now. Yes, it's
I'm always attracting who try for dim me light.
Right, I said start.
And take my through them see me funny and them think me a weakling.
It start.
Them think them can program me. It's not going to happen here.
Oh my God.
Nobody's going to get me to do any wickedness to nobody. I am not going to carry the karma for anybody. You want to do wickedness? Go do wickedness on your own. Not because you heard that I'm a good writer and I wrote a book and I'm somewhat educated where I can help myself in the world. You're going to tell me for do nothing for nobody. If it cause harm to people's lives. You think I want to walk every day and I feel look behind me. You think I want to sleep, I want more have nightmares at night time.
Pause. Teen Shin, I have a question. I know that you're over here. Then I could have wed anyway to the people them. So what kind of harm? I would encourage you, talk about it. Let's set your soul free. Talk about it, girl. No, leave no stone unturned. Let us be real. The more we expose wickedness, the better we will all be as a collective. Understand? Talk about it. We want to know. Me want to know. If you don't want to know, me want to know what kind of harm they wanted her to be a part of that was going to mess up other people's lives. And I'm sure as a judge, I'm very, very sure she's talking about Donegal. Because let us be real, the conversation was geared around Donegal and all of them. What can I say no though? Very end. I could get. Hold on, she said something. She actually said something. Voila, she said something. She did say something.
I want my kids them for suffer. Huh? The universe works weirdly, you know.
Very true.
You think what any bad that I do to people, you think I wanted to carry off on my grandkids and my children? No.
Well said.
Nobody can get me to do no wickedness to anybody.
Well said.
And if that causes me to get cussed out, that's for them business. I could give two shits. At the end of the day, this is social media. I can log off and go about my business and it won't matter. But while I am on here and I'm being cordial and nice and engaging with people, yes, because them know that people love call me name. So them know that people will believe them say it's me. When nothing no go so. It's actually them. But they deflect it. They deflect it very, very well. Because them know that once people call me name, people are going to believe. Like, yeah, I think that. I remember 2 years ago, when they lied on me. Let me tell you, man, I can remember every pathological, every lie, every compulsive, every lie these people have told on me. I can remember it.
Pause, but you know what, Tina Chin, you said something in this video. I'm like, okay, I feel like you get it. You said that people speaking the same shit every day, right? And I don't know if I'm picking up the same. I don't know if I'm picking up on what you're saying. And if it is, you are 100% right. And let us be real. That can become a little. That can turn into some form of obsession. You know, Tina Chin, I would encourage you. I'm glad, not encourage, I'm glad. Say you. Listen, out of every bad, there is good. So maybe this is meant to happen for everyone to see. I'm tapping. I chat too much. She's been on. I think she's talking about Lorraine them for the last however long.
I remember when that woman in Jamaica was baking around this time, right? And she must have did that work with, she must have get some job with Ray and him nephew or something like that, or JPS. I don't know. I don't even know which one.
Do you guys remember that?
I don't know which is which. I don't know. And for some weird reason, me I mind my business.
Guys, share the live stream.
Business,
like and share.
And
this need to go out there. It need to
exactly.
go out there.
And them come look friend from me, sir. Them come look friend from me. Them come look friend from me. Wanna know who me attack? And them come look friend from me. Anyways, me daddy I mind my business. All of a sudden, me ears say, me write letter to get people terminated from JPS or some shit like that. Me say what? Me say so. Me not even know which part. Me wow. Me do what? Me say I never see sitting cut me upside down my life. And you think that wretch would have come out and say nothing no go so? Oh no. She run with it too. And said pan her life. And automatically she never call me name, you know. But the way how she was talking it, she was insinuating that I did. And you know how Tina Chin name easy for tell lie pan with them dunce people there who follow her. So what they did, they ran with it because she insinuated it. And so the lies started from one to the next, to the next, to the next, to the next. And this is how them people start call up my name in things that I had absolutely nothing to do with. So now, fast forward, we are here in 2023 with another demon. Because every Christmas, you know, we have a
She's
demon.
She's going into it right now.
It's like a plan, a plot. They all plot up together. And they decide to come and attack during the holiday season, during my peak season. They choose to attack to try to mess with my money. So this demon now is attacking. And of course, this demon is mad for no reason. Absolutely no reason. And as I thought about it and I'm hearing what I'm hearing, I'm getting intel from other people and other victims and stuff like that. And I'm doing my research and I'm doing whatever. I'm like, so that's the reason why they're mad, because they couldn't get me to write letters into anybody. You couldn't get me to write letters, figure do this. That's the
Pause. When I heard about the letter part, I asked myself a question. I hold on. Then I could have what kind of letter they wanted Tina Chin to write, and I'm quite sure the letter would have been about Donegal, right? Listen, guys. Sometimes we allow